happening today. Hundreds of healthcare workers in New Jersey are due to get their second and final dose of the COVID-19 vaccine.
This comes as many frontline workers here in New York say that they're frustrated by the slow rollout in the state. CBS 2's John Diaz joins us live from University Hospital in Newark, New Jersey with more. John?
Yeah, good morning, Chris. Good morning, Mary. The next round of COVID-19 vaccines will begin here in just a few hours here at University Hospital. It starts at 9 o'clock this morning. We are told that Governor Phil Murphy, as well as plenty of other local leaders, will be here in attendance. Now, according to experts, this group of healthcare workers getting this second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine will become immune to the coronavirus a few days after they get it. This morning starts the second round of historical progress for the COVID-19 vaccine in New Jersey. Newark's University Hospital will begin to administer their follow-up shots after the first batch of people received their initial shots last month, including a nurse who became the first person in the state to be vaccinated.
I won't have to be afraid to go into a room anymore. I won't have to be afraid to perform chest compression.
The bulk of New Jersey residents won't be getting the vaccine until late spring. And in New York today, all medical workers, including those in private practices, are eligible for the vaccine. But frustration is growing over the slow pace of distribution across the state. Many in the city say they have received no guidance from the Department of Health.
We want answers. We've been working since March. We're the ones who've been exposed, and we have been forgotten.
The owner of Gramercy Pediatrics is one of thousands of New York doctors who've been going to great lengths to disinfect offices while continuing to treat patients, not knowing their next steps.
We got one email about a week ago that it's coming January 4th, and none of us have been asked to staff any of these centers, so who's giving the vaccine?
According to the city's Department of Health's webpage, only about 105,000 people have received a first dose. The department didn't respond to questions about a lack of communication. All a spokesperson would say is that there are 125 sites where vaccinations are occurring and will launch additional locations for eligible groups. Meanwhile, Governor Cuomo spent Sunday talking about the importance of the vaccine to a Harlem church.
I will not take the vaccine until the vaccine is available for my group in Black, Hispanic, and poor communities around the state.
Councilman Mark Levine, chair of the city's health committee, tweeted he's proposing legislation that will require at least one COVID vaccination site in each zip code to be open 24/7. To speed up vaccinations, the chief of Operation Warp Speed told CBS's Face the Nation there's discussions with the vaccine manufacturer Moderna and the FDA to inject half of the volume to immunize twice as many people with what's in stock.
Giving half the dose to people between the age of 18 and 55. 2 doses, half the dose.
And that chief advisor went on to say that things can and will accelerate this month. And then you have Mayor Bill de Blasio with that goal, his goal of vaccinating 1 million New Yorkers by the end of January. We are live this morning from Newark, New Jersey. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
Okay, John, thank you.